Hello, PBMA community. This is Alexis Olson for the Wavemakers, bringing you closer to the action and stories happening with our school community. Let's dive into our sports update for this week of January 26th through the 30th, 2026. Here's Wachillian Renaud for the scoreboard.
The boys basketball team at PBMA won their game Thursday last week, January 22nd, 2026, defeating Imagine Chancellor 49-12. Calvin Clairvoyant had 13 points and Sean Demetro scored 11. Also, Joel Javier scored 8 points and was 3 for 4 from the free throw line. The Sharks are now 2-0 in first place in the Charter School League. Let's go Sharks.
Stay tuned for highlights, game scores, and upcoming matches as our athletes continue to show teamwork, dedication, and Shark pride. Every strong argument starts with a clear idea and the courage to support it. This week's Brainwave will break down the key elements of an argument, claims, evidence, reasoning, and rebuttal, and show how students learn to think critically, speak confidently, and defend their ideas with purpose. Let's learn more about this with Sophia and Kenzie for Brainwave.
Hey everyone, I'm Sophia.
And I'm Kinsey. Today we're breaking down the elements of an argument, and don't worry, this isn't about yelling or fighting.
Exactly. An argument is really just a clear way to share your opinion and back it up with smart thinking.
Let's start with the claim. A claim is what you believe or what you're trying to prove. Think of it as your main point. For example, school uniforms should be required.
Next up, evidence. Evidence is proof that supports your claim. That could be facts, statistics, examples, or quotes like, studies show uniforms reduce distractions in school.
But evidence alone isn't enough. You also need reasoning. Reasoning explains why your evidence supports your claim. It connects the dots to the reader.
Now let's talk about the counterclaim. This is the opposite point of view. It shows you understand that not everyone agrees with you.
And finally, the rebuttal. This is where you respond to the counterclaim. You explain why your claim still makes sense.
A strong argument includes a claim, evidence, reasoning, a counterclaim, and a rebuttal.
And that's how you make your voice heard, the brainwave style.
Stay sharp and keep making waves of success with Brainwave. Now it's time to check out what the skies have in store. Here's Alberta Medina with this week's Weather Watch, bringing you the latest updates so you're ready for anything, rain or shine.
Dangerous cold temperatures for Sunday and Monday morning. Dangerous cold temperatures for Sunday and Monday morning.
Here are some more updates from Marissa and Aaliyah.
Hey Sharks, my name's Marissa.
And I'm Aaliyah,
and here's some quick Shark updates. Don't miss your chance to capture the memories. The 2025 yearbook is on sale and is extended until February 28th. Grab yours for just $34. Secondary campus students go to yearbookordercenter.com and remember to use the code 26591 when ordering. Secure your copy before the prices go up.
Sharks, remember, all cell phones and electronic devices must be placed in your yonder pouches during the first period and kept there throughout the day. This helps avoid class disruptions and keeps everyone focused on learning. Let's stay present, stay focused, and keep our classrooms distraction-free.
A quick reminder about the 10-10 rule. No passes during the first or last 10 minutes of class. Let's stay focused and make every minute of learning count.
Sharks, don't forget to subscribe to PBMA's official YouTube channel where you can see all Wavemakers episodes. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
That's it for this week's Quick Shark Updates.
Back to you, Alexis.
And now for our quote of the week. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. That's it for this week's Wavemakers. Sharks always remember to reflect their shark mentality by being safe, respectful, and responsible. Again, this is Alexis Olsen for the Wavemakers.